व्हाट्सअप गाइस, मेरा नाम है रौनक और मैं हूँ पेरिस में एक स्पेशल गेस्ट के साथ जिनका नाम है नीडल्स फ्रॉम मेड रूट्स, हु इज गोना टीच यू हाउ टू बिल्ड योर क्रम्प रॉन्ग. सो लेट्स गो.
Hi everybody, Needlez, Sister G, Lady NY, Mayor Roots, Gary Fusion. So we're gonna show you with my teams. So, as you can see, it was session rounds. So in session rounds, you can see they have different styles. So is more smooth, is more. His style is all the style are different. So this is the session round. So right now we're gonna see a battle round. So what is the difference? Can I dance as I dance at first? No, you can't. Because in the battle round, you have to be in the battle mood. In the battle mood, that means you battle someone. You have to go to this person. To go to this person doesn't mean only like this, boom, boom, boom. It's not dance on the people. It's about what you want to say to this guy. Use the sounds. This is the sounds. People forget. Boom, boom. Show the guy. Boom. What? Boom. This is the battle mode. What? You want to explain something to someone. So this is the battle mode. Okay, I want to kill you. Boom, boom, boom. You see? Then you go to the people. Boom. Look at me. Boom. Shoo. So this is the difference. And for the battle, the most, the better, but sometimes it's not necessary. But it's better to prepare sometimes a battle, to prepare your kill off and everything. But me, for example, I don't prepare nothing. So it's all my feelings. So it depends to people. So right now, I'm gonna show you what is a battle round. So right now, you have Script, aka Twin Wrecker from Beirut, Paris, winner of Needlez battle and everything. You got Jasco, Cold Boy, TC Boys from France, Badass, OG from Krump, from French Krump. So they're gonna see you the character and how they feel when they battle, how they battle. So faites pour de vrai, faites pour. Ouais mais faites, c'est pas grave. Battle mode. Character. It's the Jasco. It's the Jasco. Woo! Character. Wow! Woo! Sorry! Wow! Woo! Character! It's the Jasco. Wow! Woo! Woo! Sorry! Wow! Woo! Sorry! Wow! Woo! 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 that was really bug. That was bug for real. They just show you what battle rounds are. So you can see when I dance on. Mais là j'ai le micro. When I dance in a battle round, it's about talk to someone. They talk to each other. So you have to talk to the guy. Say, okay, now I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna show you something. So this is the difference. So you get the lab rounds, the session rounds, the battle rounds, and right now we're gonna see the tournament rounds. So when you dance in tournaments, it's like when you dance in a battle, because it's a battle mode. But in tournaments you have like tactic battles. Tactic battles, it's about, for example, I'm sorry, Kid NY is not here. He's supposed to show you, but next time. It's about to dance with a small move, a specific move that all the people can understand on the music. For example, if I do ta 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 ta, if I keep like this on the music and all the people understand me, people get more hyped and I can get maybe more value, you see? But it's not only all of this, it's about the character, it's about all the basics, it's about the musicality, it's about all what I said before. You need all of this, and the tactic mode with the small move like this, or and the kill-offs, and the musicality, and when you dance, don't dance only for yourself, like, okay, I'm on the battle, okay, I want to dance. No, okay, now I want to, boom. You get to express yourself. Don't be shy, you see? Express yourself. Show yourself to people. It's okay? Oh yeah, thank you so much. It was Needlez, Sister G, Lady NY, May Ruth from Gaily Fusion, France. Yeah. So I'm gonna introduce you. Yeah,
Kid No Script, aka Boy Scripter. No Script, aka Toon Walker, Madrout.
sheesh.
Young G, aka Sassori, Madrout.
Yow.
Baby G, aka Prince Tiger, La Roots Army, TC Boys. Yeah.
Yeah, Gigi Jaco, Lil Call Boy, Madrout Fame.
TC Boys, Nadru Sami, Badass, everybody is here. Bye bye. Thank you.